What is a car loan pre-approval? And what's the best way to get one? You might do a lot of research comparing cars and trucks you like, trying to find the one that will best suit your needs. You might visit several dealerships and take several test drives. You'll likely even do some quick math to determine whether you can afford a certain vehicle based on your income. After doing all of that work and zeroing in on your perfect next car, SUV, or truck, it can be crushing when the salesperson comes back and says, "Sorry, you haven't been approved." Yikes. Not only is that situation highly embarrassing, you've also gotten your hopes up for nothing and wasted a lot of your own precious time. Luckily, this awkward scenario can be easily avoided by getting pre-approved for a car loan before you start looking at specific vehicles. Everyone, no matter what their financial situation is, whether they have bad credit or excellent credit, should get a car loan pre-approval before they do anything else. But how exactly does it work in Canada anyway? How a car loan pre-approval works. An auto loan pre-approval works a lot like other loan pre-approvals, such as a mortgage. The lender takes a look at your income, debts, and credit score to determine whether they're willing to offer you a car loan. If they are, the pre-approval will tell you the maximum loan amount they're willing to offer you, and maybe the interest rate too. These are the terms you're likely to get should you move forward with a finance application on a specific vehicle. You might also get a breakdown of how much the monthly or biweekly payments would be. If you don't receive this information, visit a car loan calculator to work out a rough estimate in seconds. Most lenders will not ask for a driver's license, proof of income, or consent to a hard credit check until you decide to move ahead with a finance application for a specific vehicle. Sometimes lenders will also ask for additional documentation to verify your identification, such as a utility bill with your name and address on it. The benefit of a car loan pre-approval: once you have a pre-approval in hand, you can shop for a vehicle more confidently. You'll know exactly what you can afford, so you'll only consider vehicles in your price range. It also means you won't have to stress about securing financing after a long car hunt. There are other great benefits of getting pre-approved for a car loan. Your pre-approval terms typically last for around 14 to 45 days, but each lender is different. So be sure to ask how long yours is good for. Do car loan pre-approvals impact your credit? In some situations, a car loan pre-approval can impact your credit. This really depends on how a lender pulls your credit report as part of the credit check. They can either do it with a hard pull or a soft pull. A hard pull can impact your credit score. This is the conventional way lenders check someone's credit rating when considering an application for a loan. The good news is that multiple hard pulls on your credit score in the span of a few weeks shouldn't impact your rating much, as credit bureaus have a way of recognizing when someone is simply rate shopping for a car loan or mortgage. Soft pulls, by contrast, don't impact your credit score at all.